Okay, question number 6. How many kilobytes are in 1 gigabyte? Kilobytes. In 1 gigabyte. In 1 gigabyte, there are 1,000,000 kilobytes in 1 gigabyte. Okay, so we can write it like this, or we can write it in scientific notation, where it's 1 times 10 to the 6 kilobytes. And we know this because of the prefixes kilo and giga. So we can also change our base, which is bytes. So let me call this like your base. And then these are the prefixes. And we can change our base to anything we want. So let's say we had kilometers. Well, I'll write it over here. Even though we don't technically use the term gigameter, it can still technically exist. So let's say we had 1 gigameter. This would also be equal to 1 times 10 to the 6 kilometers. And the reason for this is because of these prefixes that can help us convert from different units, whatever is easier. So the reason why gigameter isn't really used for our purposes like traveling is because like cars don't usually travel like 1,000,000 kilometers to go somewhere. But if we were to use these prefixes to describe bytes, which obviously you can have a lot of, and we always talk about having a lot of these bytes, then this is when you would use these prefixes. And the junior tutor said that there are 1 times 10 to the 6 kilobytes in 1 gigabyte. And then they showed their work. So this solution is correct.